Hi everyone, I'm Melissa from Solano County Library, and it's Asian Pacific American Heritage Month, so we're celebrating by making Filipino style fruit salad. Now this recipe was given to me by a dear friend named Alice Cruz. I told her I was doing a cooking demo, but I didn't want to do any cooking, so she suggested this easy Filipino style fruit salad. Now I know that there are different kinds of versions out there. When my mom makes her fruit salad, she puts heavy whipping cream, but I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to do it the Alice Cruz way. Sorry, Mom. Okay, so what's really nice about this recipe is that it's super easy and you can pick up all these ingredients at your local Asian market. I live in Vacaville, so it was easy for me to go to the County Square Market. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first ingredient for my fruit salad is this tropical fruit cocktail. And if you can see that, it's a 20-ounce can, and the cocktail mix has pineapple, papaya, guava, and of course syrup. Now when Alice gave me her recipe, she said to include the syrup, but I don't like things that sweet, and so I'm just going to dump the syrup out like this. And I got my garbage bowl here. I'm pretending I'm Rachel Ray today. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and strain. And I'm just going to dump it into my glass bowl. And the next ingredient in this salad is lychee. And again, this is a 20-ounce can of lychee. And this is actually one of my favorite fruits. And these are super plump, delicious. If you can see that there. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and try one of these. It's nice and refreshing. Okay, so we're going to dump that into my bowl here. Okay, so the next ingredient is coconut string, or what we call makapuno. So makapuno is pretty much really soft, sweet coconut meat. And the brand of this makapuno is called sarap. And in Tagalog, sarap literally translates into yummy. So you know this is delicious. Okay, so I'm just going to spoon some of this in here. So this is just shredded, super soft, sweet coconut meat. And makapuno can be found in a lot of different Asian desserts. You'll find this in halo halo. And there's also a Filipino dessert called makapuno pie, which is really delicious. All right, the next ingredient is pineapple gel and syrup. And this is just pretty much jelly. It's flavored is pineapple. Put some of that there. And you'll sometimes find this when you order boba drinks. They'll add the pineapple gel, and it's just a nice chewy texture. So I'm not going to lie, I improvised a little bit with Alice Cruz's recipe. When I found these at the store, I couldn't resist because they're delicious. So I decided to add these into my recipe today. So I'm just going to stir everything up. And again, this is really easy. This is something simple to put together for a potluck or a party. And it's great for the warmer weather. and it's kind of healthy. Okay, so the next ingredient is something called agar, and this is called the agar dessert mix, and it's essentially almond flavored gelatin. And so I prepared it as described in the back of the package. You boil 3 cups of water, you dump the gelatin in and stir until dissolved, and then you chill until it firms up, and it looks like creamy jello, and it tastes like almonds, so it's really yummy. Okay, so I cut these into squares, and what I'm going to do next is just, let's see, put this into the bowl here. And again, another ingredient you'll find in a lot of different Asian desserts. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna dump that all in. So like I said, there are different kinds of Filipino style fruit salads out there. My mom loved the heavy whipping cream, but it's just a little much for me, and I thought I'd try Alice's recipe this morning. So I'm just going to gently stir this so as not to break up the gelatin, and it smells really good. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, just for a pop of color, add some maraschino cherries. And again, with these sort of salads, oftentimes you see them decorated with cherries on top. Okay, one more cherry. Is that pretty? So before serving, I would chill this in the fridge for maybe a half hour. And I think I'm going to serve this up to my coworkers today. And there you go, Filipino style fruit salad. Thank you everyone for watching, and hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.